Well, I know you've all been holding your breath and waiting for this exciting moment to come along. I didn't want to disappoint and not show you that I finally got that thing going. That is the animator thing, which now contains a couple of these little animator windows, which are those funny window things we've been talking about. This is a little image manager, just select image. Here's the WinProc, and it's normal. On timer, here's the what's left of the WM Paint call. And there's another thing here that sets the div, which is created earlier on here in the program. Let's see now, where do I make that? That must be in here. Oh yes. Now see this. This is a shared resource, so I had to go ahead and borrow some of my smart pointer code, which I can show you later. But anyway, there are different frame rates, so you can tell one from the other. And I'm going to let it run so that you'll have a look. You can probably tell that one of them is moving faster than the other. I can still type here. And they're both using exactly the same resource. They each have their own, since they each have their own private data, that is timeout, timer ID, and so on, their own WinProc, they act independently of one another. Each one knows who it is. Nothing global, all private data inside each one. In fact, I could choose a different frame sequence if I wanted. The only trouble with this, a lot of the trouble was getting the this pointer into those custom controls. Look at the resource view. See, these are just both properties. Properties are gone. And we have to kill this. Yeah. See, they're both the same class, right? But they have a different ID number. So on here, so in here they're both created from the same atom, which I create using my regular thing here. I don't think that cursor is working now, is it? I'm sure it wouldn't be, because I found out from the other tests that you have to go to great lengths to get these cursors to do what you want. I should be getting double click messages from them, though I don't think I'm tracing anything out. Maybe I am. I got rid of all the tracing code. I could turn the tracing on for the dialog. That'll just be too much noise. I'll have to put in a bunch of filters. You shouldn't see the timers, because those are internal to these windows here. So although there are timer methods being posted, they're being posted to these two separate windows. The done button is all messed up. Anyway, the point is that that you can define a class which is a window, which has its own private message wind proc or whatever, its own private data, and run independently on a dialog, which is whose message loop is not even being, it's not something I'm doing. There's no message loop. I'm just doing do modal. In fact, I don't even need this. Oh yeah, I need that add in there. There's no message loop here that I'm doing. And that was initially the problem, because you can see in the WinProc stub, there's this WM create, and that's where I usually set the this pointer. But I can easily tell if this is the case of a dialog. First, there's going to be an ID number. It won't be 0. There's going to be a parent. The style is going to have a child style. And the menu number is going to be equal to that ID number. So that means that we have to wait for our this pointer. Otherwise, we do the same. Eventually, it just keeps going along and along and along. And in the dialog, eventually the init dialog gets called. And then I locate the handled windows of each of those custom controls and set their this pointers directly into the window class data. And so they don't have to do anything else. If you look in the SPY here, and here they are. And that's each one has its. They both have the same wind prompt, like these ones or these ones. I could have put another one of my custom controls in there. Here's the class. Here are the styles that I define. And that's about it. The way to put these where you want is to simply use the dialog editor. Now, what I want, obviously, is I'd like to be able to start and stop them. So I need to figure out how to process messages going in. I'd like to be able to right-click here and have a little menu come up. Maybe speed up or slow down or pause or something like that. Or go to frame or maybe resize. This is not resizable, but oh no, I'm not doing a stretch split, so it won't resize properly. These are the actual sizes. I'm using the actual size of the image or the frames for the blit here. Bit blit is 1-to-1 blit. There's another one called stretch blit where the Source and destination rectangles can be of different sizes, and that allows you to resize an image. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know that that all works, and it wasn't that easy to get it working, but now it's working. And in the end, it wasn't that hard, but in finding the solution, it was a little tricky. Okay, that's it for that. I don't know what to do next. Maybe I'll conclude this series since it doesn't seem like anyone's really following it. So, and I could try and start up another series on some topic somebody's actually interested in. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.